My people, no be smart, they say Asari Dokubo, they don't put 100 million for Asari Dokubo head. As this guy don't call the bandits, say make they go carry Asari Dokubo, bring his head for Ring Road for inside Benin City. When I remember say Asari Dokubo declare say his next fight now for inside Benin, he wan carry and go. As we dey talk that one the same weekend don come outside come tell dem say hey farabale more una no dey talk too much say that Ijaw people no go even be a governor for a place like Rivers State and some other part of the Nigeria. Things are really happening as that one dey happen come here they say that the Ijaw people are now extending their territory to Igbo land. Ndoki to be precisely. My people, you don read though. Now they say one ajo of police don carry wahala go give him members wey stand for road. Abeg watch these full videos and share before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Bandit, kidnappers, terrorists, Fulani herdsmen. I get job for una. Una see this guy Asari Dokubo. This guy picture so. I need only a head for center of Ring Road for Benin City, Edo State. 100 million naira to whoever that bring Asari Dokubo's head. 100 million naira. Please share this video to Asari Dokubo and to any Ijaw platform in Nigeria. 100 million naira to produce the head of Asari Dokubo. Like and share this video, guys. 100 million naira.
When law speaks, all these Asawana will die. And the law has spoken. And all this, and let me tell you something. And people should have that right. Ijaw does not constitute the majority of the Niger Delta. People must speak the truth. Heaven will not fall. You only die once, not 2 times. Ijaw does not constitute the majority of the Niger Delta. What nonsense every day you wake up? Ijaw will do this. In Akwa Ibom, Ijaw cannot be governor. In Delta, Ijaw is the minority of the minority. With all due respect to our late elder statesman, Edwin Clark, he's from Delta. He had never produced Ijaw man to be governor of Delta. He had never. The only place Ijaw man can solely be governor is in Bayelsa State. Not in Edo, not in Rivers, a minority of the minorities. Out of our own benevolence, live and let live. I'm Matisse Luko. Gentlemen, we are working as a team. We are members of the same political family. Let's allow this to go this area. If it is by strength, it cannot be the Ogoris, it cannot be the Epayes, it cannot be the Queres. It cannot. Every time you hear this, he just said this, he just didn't say this. What kind of system are we talking about? When people do something to bring everybody together, you appreciate it.
Why are Ijaw youths trying all they can to annex Ndoki and merge it with their political ethnic group? What is Ohaneze Igbo Youth Council doing? Before our very eyes, the Ijaw Youth Council are trying to bribe their way into our coastal Ndoki communities in Abia, Imo, Akwa Ibom, and River States. You see why I say support IIC. 2 reasons exist: oil and water. These people, like Dr. Maduka Ogwelekachinemelum said, would always say that Igbo land is landlocked. But you see them every Eke market, they're trying to annex our Ndoki brothers and force them to be Ijaws. The truth remains clear. Ndoki ni Igbo buole. Wa buole. They are one. And if you think you can annex them to have access to their oil, you are dreaming. Carry that money and go and help your Creek communities in Bayelsa suffering from neglect. Imagine the ridiculousness. Go fix your people and lands before trying to annex your ancestors. Now your ancestors, Chineka Unoko. You see, I don't want to condescend to bandy words with the Ijaws because una no reach. Enough is enough. I really blame the Ikweres because if they have stood as a big brother, this nonsense wouldn't have festered. The Igbos are the single majority bloc in River State, occupying half of the local government areas in River State. From Ikwere, Echie to Oba, Ebe Mangoni, Epeye, Ndoki down to our Igbos in Opobo Boni and Okrika all understand and speak the dialect of Igbo. They bear Igbo names, and without being to Igbo land, they perfectly understand Igbo. The Ijos already got Bayelsa. Why are you not comfortable with your Bayelsa state? Why? People that are not even up to 5 million in number, minority of the minorities. You see, this is the reason why I like men like Wike. He is holding it down politically for the Igbo groups in River State. In Wike's voice, your lots are minorities upon minorities. You want to forcefully become the 4th largest ethnic group. But it's not by Mago, because population on a no gets. No gets. In fact, our cross people, the likes of Anang, Ibibi, Orong, and Efik, who number over 5 million people, are easily visible all over Nigeria than Ijos. Where is your number, Ndejo? Where is your number? How many well-developed cities do you have? None. Zilch. None. I mean none. Yenagua is not an Ijo land. It is owned by the Epiatisa people. What is already in crisis because you are dragging the city with the Urobos and the Shekiris. Port Harcourt is all Ikwere Igbo, and not inch of Port Harcourt will be ceded to you lots. Manage your Creek and Calabari towns and stop encroaching the waterfront of the Iqueries. Land grabbers. Opobo and Boni are just towns, and without the Igbo element, it would have been creeks today. I said it. The Ijos, can you point us your own well-developed, single-owned city, if not Sheshia and Gombodi? You want to come and drag our Obibo from us? Obibo that is rich in oil and gas? Why are you not content with your own villages? You are dragging Port Harcourt. When I want to drag Port Harcourt to Tikwere people. What with Ishekiri and Urobo? The last time you guys tried it with the Akwa Ibom people, those ones dealt with you guys and you guys scampered. The latest one now is Edo. I saw the threats your Asari mates to Benin's. Make them reply on a course, it doesn't concern us. Look at the independent groups like Abua, Engeni, Andoni, and the rest that don't understand Shengba Ijo. How do they understand the Ijo? You have forced them into your political union. We not send them now. That's their choice. You understand? But have you seen them Doki? You know Doki? Charai within Doki, or when Doki is Herai, Charai knows all. Doki is our brothers. Stay in your Bayelsa and stop the interference. I see your bloggers every time trying to insert Igbo into this and that to keep their engagement growing. Without Igbo, all of them on a page go dire. I challenge you Igbo-phobic entities. Leave Igbo Batana. That desert page that go be. I just wish our people would just stave you off of their attention and let on a peme. Go on peme very well. I want to you. They are feeding you guys. Without the engagement we are popping on you guys' page, people cannot even see even ordinary $50 in a month. Who born in a power? Na feeds? Who na get population? Who na be? Zero! That's it! Shit, bronco. Then the king Mamano arise and resist every effort of these Creek folks from annexing our lands. You've got job to do. To the Indigenous Igbo Council led by our brother Chimenum, aka the tribes, well done. Proudly Okrika Igbo, Obina of Igbo. They want us that to be a jaw. They want us not to be a jaw. Make on a sit up because I want on Africa on a city flag do outside people. You see how they want to submerge them. You see how all their leaders now Fulani. They don't even get maths to talk. Now what you just want to do now? When I don't agree, they get not wicked though.
Why are you blocking the road? Why are you blocking the road? You didn't hear the IG said they should not be blocking road again? For any reason. If you have to walk here, you have a vehicle here, park and slow down vehicles. Why are you blocking the road? That's why I'm not asking you whether you have stopping truck or not. Why are you why is the road blocked? Are you the most senior person? Who is the most senior person? How many of you are here?
We are
You are not sure?
we are 8 in numbers here.
So where are they?
Our commander is not around. I want to call him.
Where has he gone to? Get his particulars. Come and clear this road.
Okay, sir.
What is your name?
What's your rank?
Has the IG never come here once to tell people not to block put blockage on the road?
He was said before, he spoke with my commander.
Did he say he didn't tell you not to block the road?
No, this one, he spoke with our commander. Then our commander explained to him that we are stopping only trucks. We are not here for any.
Why are you blocking the road? If you are stopping truck or stopping the, why are you using these things to block the road? Get his detail. Tell your commander they should remove all this blockade. Okay?
Let me have your details.
Why did you block that road? I'm talking to you.
This one is not a policeman.
No crest, oh.
He's not a policeman.
No, he's not. Are you a policeman?
He's not.
No, it's not
not a
you.
policeman.
Let me see your crest.
No, he's not a policeman. He's not a policeman.
What's your first number?
But that is my name.
Me, I can't read it. It's eating all over. An SPO, ASP.
Okay,
This rank.
See the trace of my
Is that where you wear slippers and you're on the road?
because of the rain. Because of the rain.
Let me see your belt. Let me see the belt you are wearing. Let me see the kind of belt you are wearing.
Because of the rain.
Let me see the kind of belt you are wearing to your uniform. Wait.
Because of
Is this
the-
police belt?
Is it Ania? Ania is
You are a very responsible
See
officer.
the Ania
What's your
here.
name?
Get his details. Where are you serving?
Eh.
Don't talk in no. Don't talk.
No,
Where are you
see
serving?
the area.
Where are you serving, my friend? Keep quiet. Stop that
Safe
nonsense.
highway. Safe highway.
They tell you to be disgracing yourself. You are disgracing yourself.
But that is
You are not fit to wear that rank. Get his details for me.
What's your AP number?
You. Why do you block road? Go and remove those things first. Why did you block that road? I'm talking to you.
This one is not a policeman.
No crest, oh.
He's not a
No,
policeman.
he's not a are you a policeman?
He's not.
No, it's
He's
not
not a
you.
policeman.
Let me see your crest.
No,
Bring
he's
that.
not a policeman. He's not a policeman.
What's your first number?
2 for 17.
When did you join the police?
Call him again. Call him.
Is he a policeman?
No. Call him again. He's not a policeman. Call.
24. 1734.
Look at his own name tag. He's woven, cursive this thing. This one, they are not in the police. Are you a serving policeman?
Yes, sir.
Is this how they sew black?
What's your name?
My people, make una drop una opinion for inside comment section, and make sure say you share this video so that other people go get the information and know how it really go. Stay tuned.